There are a number of reasons people in our area struggle to find good quality dining in Billings. Number one, there's a strong lack of variety for individuals with dietary needs, different tastes, and allergies. Second, there are too few venues for upscale events, meetings, or simple family gatherings. Finally, most company websites are too difficult to order, don't have mobile access, or even let you complete a catering request to order takeout from their webpage. Divinity plans to change that by building a fine dining restaurant where catering services are available to everyone. Divinity will take pride in using only fresh, high-quality products to create a high-quality dining experience. Our venue is built in a way that spaces can be rented out and business meetings can be conducted and catered to. We will have an easy-to-navigate website and app available for download, where anyone can book a reservation, look up the menu, and see the nutrient facts and ingredient lists on each dish we serve. Our services can be altered for catering needs. For example, if you wish to have a simple, intimate family event, we can serve each dish in a larger family-style dish. We can offer hors d'oeuvres served on platters for your guests at large formal events, buffet style for business and casual meetings, and plated meals for events and unique dining needs. Divinity's products and services are the result of everyone's desire to have diversity in their selection, nutritional information available, and high-quality food to eat. We take the dietary needs of each client very seriously and do what we can to make sure they leave happy and have had not just a fine dining experience, but a truly divine dining experience.